Hi dear students, we are going to continue with the second part of the second lesson, the thief's story. Hope you remember where we have stopped. We have completed only the first page of the story. We are going on with the second page right now. Here in the story, a 15-year-old boy who lies his name as Hari Singh says that he wants to work for Anil, and then Anil says he is not able to pay for him. In a sudden, Hari Singh, the boy, thought about the man whom he targeted. He thought he was being misjudged. Then in a sudden he asked whether he can feed the boy or not. Then Anil asked him back whether the boy will be able to cook for him. Then he lied again that he is able to cook. Then Anil, just even without thinking, said that of course if you can cook for me, then I can feed you. I'm very sure that. Then they went to his house. It was just near the Jumna sweet shop. And then Anil said that Hari Singh had to, or the boy had to, sleep in the balcony because there was only one room and that was being used by Anil. And on that day itself, Anil asked Hari to cook for the day, and Hari tried something. But as you know, it is not the recent time. There was no YouTube or some other things to help him. So it was very horrible that Anil could not even have a sip of it and just sent it to a stray dog. But the boy was not ready to give up. He just went near Anil with the most appealing smile which he could have and tried to attract him. In a sudden, Anil burst into a laughter after watching the expressions of the child or the boy. Then Anil said, "No, it's not a problem. I will teach you how to cook, and then I will teach you how to write your name." And then he added that he will make Hari Singh learn how to read, how to write complete sentences, and the basics of maths also. Then Hari Singh was having only one thing in his mind to improve his life after learning all those things. Because when he is able to behave like an educated man, read and write like an educated man, he will have any number of opportunities in front of him. He knew it very well. Working with Anil was not a difficult task because early morning he had to make the tea and then he wanted to go to the market to buy the things for the day's supply. Usually when he is going to the market, he will keep 1 rupee or something like that, a small amount as a profit for him. Even though Anil knew about it, he never asked about it. Anil used to make money by fits and start, which means he was not having a permanent job anywhere. He was just trying to get some money from somebody. He was borrowing some money and next week he was lending it to somebody else, and then he was worrying about the check which he was going to get. Once when he get the amount, he used it to spend the whole amount with his friends, enjoying. That was his life, which means he had no order for his life and he had nobody to control him also. More than that, in a way we can say that Anil was struggling to survive. And on one evening when Anil came, he was having a bundle of notes with him. He had just sold a book into a publisher. That's what he said to Hari Singh or the boy. And then Hari Singh was watching everything keenly, that he could understand that Anil was keeping the amount under the mattress. Now, for the long 1 month, Hari Singh or the boy was working with Anil, and Anil completely trusted the boy that he gave an extra key of the room also, that he had the freedom to go out and come back at any time he wished. So that much freedom was given to the boy by Anil. He trusted him completely. Now the boy felt it very difficult to break the trust which he gave his master. Moreover, he knew it very well that Anil is not a careful man. He is a very easygoing man, a careless man. Robbing him will be very difficult because it doesn't mean that Anil will stop him from being robbed. That's not the condition. But once when he realizes that he is being robbed, it will be very difficult for him to manage it. It is not because he is being robbed, but because the trust has been lost. He completely trusted the boy, and even he may not even notice that he is being robbed. There, the boy felt he is going to lose all the pleasure. That's all for the day. Winding up the session. Thank you. Have a nice day.